Hitting the road with your family or dog is a great feeling, and towing a small travel trailer or camper shouldn't be a painful task. CURT's RV Towing Starter Kit will get you on the road and focused on fun. The kit includes a rocker ball that is equipped with dynamic adaptive shock drop technology. This gives a smoother ride for those long trips. It also has isolators built in to absorb vibrations at the hitch connection. The sway control kit helps limit lateral movement to keep you and your trailer on the road. It is compatible with most A-frame trailers with some drilling required. This on or off handle makes engaging or disengaging sway control simple. For smaller trailers, one sway control unit is fine, but for larger trailers, you will need two. And the kit includes an Echo mobile brake controller. This controller is a Bluetooth-enabled brake controller that works with Apple or Android devices and features a triple-axis accelerometer for smoother and effective braking. The included anti-rattle pin and shim helps eliminate that annoying vibration and rattle caused when using a hollow shank. This kit is for vehicles less than 5,000 pounds and is perfect for trailers with a gross trailer weight of 3,500 to 5,000 pounds. With all of these great tools included, the RV Towing Starter Kit is a great addition for anyone looking for an all-in-one kit to get you moving without hassle. If you are interested in purchasing CURT's RV Towing Starter Kit or looking to have one installed, check out the dealer locator here or in the description below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.